Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the setup of a Simpex Pro HD LED 5. I have already unboxed it and I have installed it. In this video I intend to only show you the effect of this softbox light. I purchased it in the local market for 5,000 rupees. You can get it online for slightly more. So what do you get for this amount of money? You get this box here which contains all the components of it. Inside it there is a 5 bulb holder, which is this one. It has got 3 switches on the back side, and then there is a soft box here, and you get 5 bulbs, and you get a card and a light stand. All this you get for 5,000 rupees. I have installed this soft light, and right now I am recording this video under this light. In addition, I have got a LED panel light with a softbox, umbrella softbox over it. I'm going to now show you the difference between the presence and absence of the light. Now, apart from room lights, there are no other lights here in this place. There's a backlight here. Now I'm going to turn on the softbox. It is functioning as the key light. It is coming at me from 45 degrees to my left, and you can see that it is illuminating the left half of my face. It is uniformly lit. It's a soft. The right half of my face might be in relative darkness. So I'm going to make it better by turning on the next softbox light. Now I've switched on the Yongnuo 300 LED light with a softbox in the form of an umbrella, and that is functioning as the fill light. So let me record my impressions about this Simpex LED light. For one thing, it is an LED light source. It will consume less power than any other incandescent light source. Then it is a cool LED light, 6500 kelvins. There are 5 bulbs. Each bulb emits 2500 lumens. Each is a 25 watt bulb. It emits 2500 lumens. With 5 bulbs you get 12,500 lumens in all. So there is a light stand, and it is mounted. There is a soft box, and there is a diffuser in front of it. So the overall effect, these dimensions of this diffuser are maybe 2 feet by 2 feet, quite a big diffuser. It is made up of good material. The bulb holder is good material. The light stand is made up of metal. The scrim is also very good. What is my reservation with this? Well, the price is okay. It is obtained in the Indian market without any hassle. It is better to purchase it from a person from a shop whom you know, rather than to get it online. There is a guarantee card inside the box, but the guarantee card does not cover tear of the soft box. I found the soft box difficult to assemble. There are 4 spokes which are to be inserted into the bulb holder, and then to be inserted into the edges of the soft box. So this is the assembled soft box over the bulb holder. The trick to assembling the soft box is that one should insert the opposite sides first on one side and diagonally opposite to the other side. Then you get a sort of a triangular portion of the soft box, and then you can insert the spokes in the opposite axis. So it's not a very pleasant experience, but for the price it's okay. The softbox is made up of, lined on the inside, or silverish material. On the outside it has got black cloth. Now I have screwed in all the 5 bulbs, and all the 5 bulbs are lit up now. I'll show you the So there is a knack to it, to how to do it successfully. You should insert the diagonal spokes first, one opposite the other or diagonally, and then the whole softbox will fold up, and then you can insert the opposite sides. So even with that, it took me about 15 minutes. So that is the only difficult part of it, of this softbox. But other than that, it's okay. So what do I intend to do? I intend to use it as my light source now. That is a reliable light source. So it's a good purchase. So anybody who wants to buy softbox for soft light in India at a decent price of 5,000, which includes a light stand, light source, a softbox, a scrim, everything, this is a good buy. I make do-it-yourself videos. If you like this video, kindly share it, give it a thumbs up, mention it to your friends, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center, hit the bell icon after you have subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.